As we all know, having the perfect swinging gate simply means you've bought the best fencing equipment, you've bought the right quality gate, hung it with good furniture, and done it properly, and it'll be perfect forever. Yeah, right. Whether it be the soil, the climate, animals, or even human error, there's lots of reasons why a gate might start swinging badly. And you don't always want to be replacing every end assembly just to fix a dodgy gate. Well, it turns out there's a solution. Of course, residential gates have the same problems, and they've been fixing it for years with these little pad bolts. Well, it turns out White's Group have just come out with a pad bolt that fits on your farm gate, is beefed up, and allows it to be operated by your foot. Let's install one, see how easy it is to install, and find out if it's any good. In the pack, you get a set of U-bolts, and you get the gate anchor, and that's it. I like simple. Let's go and install it. Installing the gate anchor on the gate was really easy. All you have to do is locate it on the lower section of the outer down tube and put it on the side of the gate that you're most likely to be operating it from. The two U-bolts can only go in one direction, so it makes mounting this really easy and the need for instructions zero. Any day you get to solve gate problems with a power drill is a good day. So next time you're annoyed with your dodgy gate, have a look at the gate anchor. It could be the cheap, easy solution you've been looking for without having to replace your entire end assembly. I think this is my new best friend. If you like this kind of content, don't forget hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. There's plenty more on timthompson.ag. I'll catch you with something else next week.